Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable hotel sa Bangkok na mayroong infinity pool with panoramic view of the city? Then panoorin mo itong video na to. This is Ube and isi-share ko sa inyo ang hotel na pinagstayhan namin sa Bangkok. First time namin nakapag-Bangkok and so happy na nahanapan namin itong hotel na ito. Maganda ang location. It is only 30 minutes away by taxi from Don Muang Airport. Expect to pay around 250 to 400 baht if magbo-bolt kayo. Nasa 10 minutes walk lang din ito from BTS Irie Station, so sobrang daling mag-commute kahit saan. We stayed here for 5 nights and 6 days and we booked their superior room with king-size bed. And na-book namin sa Klook for only 13,736 or 2,289 pesos per night. Moving on, sa baba lamang ng hotel ay may 7-Eleven, Starbucks, and meron ding mga food stalls na nagtitinda ng authentic Thai dishes. If need mo mag-withdraw, meron ding ATMs gaya ng Krung Sri na nasa labas lang ng 7-Eleven. And of course, kasama ng Sky Pool sa 33rd floor ay ang Sky Bar and ang fitness gym. Meron din palang complimentary drinks and free snacks every day. Now, for the room tour, nasa 25th floor yung room namin. Pagbukas mo ng door, bubugan na sa iyo ang napaka-spacious na room. Talagang maaliwalas ang ambience and napaka-positive ng vibe. Sa left side, pagpasok mo ay ang cabinet and refrigerator, and sa right side naman, ang bathroom with hot and cold shower. May mga toiletries na din and may bidet. Meron na rin complimentary water na nire-refill nila everyday, kasama na rin ng paglinis ng room and pag-change ng towels and linen. Meron ding microwave oven and heater, pati na din blower. You can also request other essentials for free like shaver, iron, and iron board. Of course, may working area and may flat screen TV and napakasarap humiga and mag-chill sa king-size bed na nasa tabi lang ng napakalaking glass window. So you can just imagine the view pagkagising mo sa umaga and pag-open mo ng curtains. OMG, what a perfect way to start your day and napaka-relaxing way din to end your day before finally falling asleep. And before I end, if gabi pa lang flight nyo, pwede kayong mag-extend sa hotel for up to 6 hours. You just need to pay 200 baht per hour or 350 pesos per hour. Kami, since 9:45 pa ang flight, we extended until 4 p.m. and we paid an additional 800 baht upon checkout. Hindi na masama, di ba? You can extend your stay for up to 6 hours from 12 noon to 6 p.m. If over 6 hours na, i-charge na kayo ng full rate ng room. So, that's all for now for our hotel and room tour. Ano pang Ano nga bang hotel ito? This is the Quarter Ari by UHG. So, what are you waiting for? Book your hotel room now. And if you like this video, don't forget to follow Ubi Ventures for more. See ya and thank you.